So I'm Dr. Lutz Mary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the design challenges for the subject cloud computing. So challenges of cloud computing: security and privacy, managing cloud spend, so lack of resources expertise, governance, compliance, managing multiple clouds, availability, reliability, interoperability, service quality, portability, building a private cloud computing performance. So we'll see one by one. Data security and privacy. It's a major concern when working with cloud environments. It's one of the major challenges in cloud computing as users have to take accountability for their data, and not all cloud providers can assure 100% data privacy. Lack of visibility and control tools, no identity access management, data misuse and cloud misconfiguration are the common causes behind cloud privacy. So there are concerns with insecure application programming interface, malicious insiders, and oversights or neglect in cloud management. The solution for this is you have to configure network hardware and install the latest software updates to prevent security vulnerabilities. So you can use firewalls, antivirus, and increase the bandwidth for cloud data availability to prevent data security risks. So performance challenges depends upon the vendors who offer these services to client, and if a cloud vendor goes down, the business gets affected. Solution: sign up with a cloud service provider who have real-time SaaS monitoring policies. Interoperability and flexibility. It's a challenge when you try or move application from two or multiple cloud ecosystems. Rebuilding the stacks to match the target cloud environment specification is a big challenge. Handling data encryption during migration of the data, setting up the networks in target cloud for operations, managing applications and services in the target cloud ecosystem. The solution is how to get cloud interoperability and portability standards before getting our work on the project to solve the problem. So multi-cloud environments. So can have multiple cloud. So the challenges are many. So configuration errors, lack of security patches, data governance is also a major task, and no granularity. So it is difficult to track the security requirements of multiple clouds and to apply data management policies across various boards. Solution is, so using a multi-cloud data management solution is a good start for enterprises. Not all tools will offer specific security functionalities. Multi-cloud environments grow highly sophisticated and complex. High dependence on network. So lack of internet bandwidth is a common problem when transferring large volumes of data to and from cloud's data server. It's one of the challenge. Data is highly vulnerable. There is a risk for security for the data. So the enterprise want to lower hardware costs without sacrificing the performance. To ensure there is high bandwidth. Reliability and availability. High availability of cloud services and lack of reliability are the two major concerns in these ecosystems. Organizations are forced to seek additional computing resources in order to keep up with changing business requirements. If a cloud vendor gets hacked or affected, the data of organization using the services get compromised. Next term, or the important term, is compliance. Cloud service providers are not up to the date when it comes to having the best data compliance. Whenever a user or the consumer or the customer transfers data from internal server to the cloud, they run into compliance issues with the state laws and regulations. So General Data Protection Regulation (GPDR) and GDPR and Act is expected to expedite compliance issues in the future for CSPs. Cloud storage. Architecture of cloud storage is given. So the built on virtualization technology. Since from the figure you know that it describe the architecture of cloud storage. Public APIs for data and management. Within that we have the object storage, virtual compute servers, block file or object storage will be there. Virtual compute server, logical storage pools. So cloud service location one, it has the cloud service. So the provider, the data center may have a number of locations. So built on virtualization technology in terms of accessible interfaces, scalability and metered resources are similar to cloud computing. Service is used in conjunction with an off-premise service, originally referred to as hosted object storage service. So thank you.